Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After introducing basics of Arabic language in the last 6 video, this video starts Surat Al-Fateha, where you will learn a lot of Arabic. The first word is Al-Hamdu. The word Al-Hamdu, before I talk about this word, you have to know that there is few differences between writing in standard Arabic and writing in Quran or Quranic Arabic. Alhamdu, this alif lam, the first two letters is al, means the. When we write it in standard Arabic, we don't put any marks on the top of it or under it. There is no marks. But in Quran, you will see this is the language of Quran, classic Arabic. You will see on the top of alif, lam, the article, on the top of alif, there is a sign, and on the top of lam, there is another sign. The first one means that there is no hamza, and we will talk about it in details because I don't want you to be confused now. We'll talk about it later. You will know everything about this alif through Surat Al-Fatiha also. And lam has this sign on the top of it. This sign very, very similar to ha. This is like ha, very small ha. This sign equal this sign in standard Arabic, small circle. Do you remember when we said that in the short vowels video? We said that when you see this circle on the top of a letter, you stop. It means there is no short vowel. There is no haraka, no fatha, there is no dhamma, there is no kasra. So when you spell a new word, you stop at the letter with this small circle. The same you do with this ha. When you see this ha on the top of any letter, you know that there is no short vowel, so you can stop. If you spell, this is the word, a new word, and you want to spell it letter by letter, you stop when you see this ha, because it is the same of this circle. So that's the difference. Not only one difference, but there are some difference. When we meet it, we'll talk about it. And the same of this sign on the top of mim. Al-Hamdu. Al-Hamdu. See, the word Alhamdu here is divided into two parts. Alif lam, the article, plus hamd. Alif lam, the article that changes noun from indefinite into definite, and the hamd is a noun. Now, what about alif lam? There are two ways to pronounce lam in the article alif lam, not any lam. Here we talk about lam of the article alif lam. Sometimes we pronounce it and sometimes we drop it. When we drop it and when we pronounce it, it depends on the letter comes next to lam. Lam of the article alif lam is pronounced when it is followed by one of the following 14 letters. It means half of Arabic alphabet. Alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ayn, ghayn, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, ha, waw, ya. when you see one of these letters next to lam in the article alif lam, you pronounce lam clearly. See examples: alif with hamza on the top or hamza under, or if there is no hamza at all, you pronounce lam clearly. You don't drop it, you pronounce it. Al-Abbu. Al-Abbu. You see the shadda doubled. That's why we say Al-Abbu. طيب. باء الباب. جيم الجبل. حاء الحوار. خاء الخير. عين العدل. غين الغريب. الغريب. فاء الفريق. قاف القمر. كاف الكتاب. ميم المسجد. المسجد. هاء الهواء. واو الوادي. ياء اليمين. Inshallah, next video we will see the lamb when we drop it. Thank you and see you next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.